What's up guys, myself Sampath, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator to protect your social media accounts like Facebook, Insta and Gmail from hacking. I have already shown this in Reels about how the Authenticator works, so let's dive into the process. Firstly, you need to install Google Authenticator on your device from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. I'm going to show you how to add Insta account. All these social media accounts have the similar process. First, go to Instagram and click on the hamburger icon and to settings and then over to security and then click on the two-factor authentication. And now click get started. Then it will give you some options. You should click on the authentication app that is recommended and next. And it will redirect you to the Google Authenticator and you just need to click OK. And after clicking OK, your Instagram account is going to appear there with the code. After clicking OK, you need to enter your login code from the Google Authenticator that's given. After clicking the code, you should click done and then you'll get the recovery codes. In case you lost your Google Authenticator or lost your phone, you could use these codes, so please keep them safe or print them and save it somewhere else. They might be really helpful. It's not complicated, it's easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching, myself Sampath, and catch you in the next one.